Welcome to our video guide on how to get insurance for cleaning services in the United States. Are you a cleaning business owner wondering how to protect yourself from potential risks? Well, you've come to the right place. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of obtaining insurance for your cleaning services. So, let's get started. First things first, let's understand the importance of insurance for cleaning services. As a cleaning business owner, you want to protect yourself from claims that could arise from accidents or damages that may occur during your operations. That's where general liability insurance comes in. General liability insurance, also known as commercial general liability insurance or business liability insurance, provides coverage for bodily injury or property damage caused to someone else. This coverage is essential for many small business owners, including those in the cleaning industry. Let's consider a few scenarios to better understand the coverage provided by general liability insurance. Imagine you own a carpet cleaning service, and while treating a carpet, your cleaning equipment accidentally damages it. In this case, your general liability insurance can help cover the cost of repairing the damages to your customer's property. Lastly, imagine a customer who hires your business for laundry services. While using the laundry rack, their designer dress gets caught in tears. In this situation, your general liability insurance can help cover the costs of fixing or replacing your client's damaged dress. Now that we understand the importance and coverage of general liability insurance, you might be wondering if it's necessary for your cleaning business. While most states don't require businesses to carry general liability insurance, it's highly recommended for cleaning businesses. Bodily injuries and property damage can occur during normal business operations, so having this coverage provides you with peace of mind. Various types of cleaning businesses can benefit from liability insurance, including carpet cleaning, house cleaning, dry cleaning, office cleaning, maid services, and janitorial services. It's essential to assess your specific business needs and ensure you have the right coverage. Now, let's dive deeper into what's covered by cleaning liability insurance. This insurance can protect your business against claims related to bodily injury, such as if your cleaning supplies or chemicals accidentally make a client sick. It also covers property damage caused to someone else's belongings, such as breaking a window while cleaning a customer's home. Let's talk about insurance costs for cleaning companies. The exact cost will vary depending on several factors. Insurance companies consider the type of business, claims history, number of employees, and location when determining the costs. The best way to get an accurate estimate is to request a quote from an insurance provider. While general liability insurance is crucial coverage, it's important to note that it may not cover every kind of claim your cleaning business may face. To ensure well-rounded protection, consider additional insurance coverage. Many small business owners opt for a business owner's policy, also known as a BOP. This policy combines general liability insurance with other coverages, such as commercial property insurance and business income insurance. If you or your employees use company-owned vehicles for business purposes, it's important to consider commercial auto insurance. This coverage protects you and your employees while on the road. If your cleaning business has employees, most states require you to have workers' compensation insurance. This coverage provides benefits to your workers in the event of work-related injuries or illnesses. Another option to consider is umbrella insurance. This coverage increases the limits of certain liability policies, providing extra protection and helping cover costly claims. Now that you understand the different types of coverage, you're probably wondering how to get liability insurance for your cleaning business. Let's go through the process step by step. Step 1. Assess your business needs. Start by assessing your business needs. Consider the size of your business, the services you offer, and any specific risks associated with your operations. This will help you determine the coverage limits and types of insurance you require. Step 2. Research insurance providers. Next, research insurance providers that specialize in providing coverage for cleaning businesses. Look for reputable companies with experience in the industry and positive customer reviews. Step 3. Review coverage options. Once you receive the insurance quotes, carefully review the coverage options presented to you. Pay attention to the policy limits, deductibles, and any exclusions or additional coverages offered. Step 4. Consult with an insurance specialist. If you have any questions or need assistance in understanding the coverage options, don't hesitate to consult with an insurance specialist. They can provide valuable insights and help you make informed decisions. Step 5. Purchase the right coverage. Once you've reviewed your options and made a decision, it's time to purchase the insurance coverage that best suits your cleaning business needs. Work closely with the insurance provider to complete the necessary paperwork and make the payment. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to get insurance for your cleaning services in the United States. By obtaining general liability insurance and considering additional coverage options, you're taking important steps to protect your business from potential risks and liabilities. Remember, every cleaning business is unique, so it's crucial to assess your specific needs and consult with insurance professionals to ensure you have the right coverage in place. Thank you for watching our step-by-step guide. We hope it has provided you with valuable information and guidance. Best of luck in safeguarding your cleaning business.